All right, so we're making out today, making it to a spot that I've been wanting to come back to, finally have a better reason, because I finally got a new lens for my camera. A lens I didn't really ever thought I would want, but super happy that I have it and just excited to get out and test it out. So, do you guys remember this spot? Some of you may, some of you may not, but this is where I took the picture of the first card that I made. So it's a cool spot. I like it. Coming back, there's blue tape everywhere, but don't let that stop you. And also, if you guys go to a spot that you like, take the time the first time that you're there, because my luck with going back to places is something's changed, something's different, something's in the way. So always cherish the first time. But yeah, let's see. Super excited. Majority of you will probably know I like shooting with Fujifilm, and I just got the 27mm 2.8 lens, pancake lens, super tiny. And yeah, I wanted something that was a lot more just all around carryable, but giant backpack, kind of overkill for it. I need to get a small sling bag. If you guys have a recommendation of a good sling bag, doesn't need to necessarily be a camera one, just a small one to throw that into. So yeah, basically today's story plot is just to go ride around on this side of the Patuxent River, up and down Crooms Road, try to find any little water spot, nice spot to just go around, take pictures of the bike, not of the bike, and just enjoy. And then also, I'm gonna have a question for you guys at the end of this video. So if you stick around, the question will be for you, because it has to do with the footage. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so this was my iPhone, but I thought this is really cool. So, you can see where I am. I was just right here, and I didn't even think about the railway that used to be right there. I actually walked both sides of it before. So, there's a little hunting house or something, but essentially that is the trail, what used to be the railroad that comes out, goes down to a launch right there, and then that's literally where we just started the video. So the railway used to go right across there. Thought that was pretty cool. All right, so that's gonna be a wrap for me. It is getting way too hot out, and yeah. This summer has really made me realize how much more of a winter person I am than an actual summer person. And yeah, in the winter I typically get out at least once a week, and the only reason why I don't in Maryland is when they put down way too much salt that it's just not worth getting out. But yeah, wanted to show you guys what we did to the bus. And yeah, basically took all the windows out and replaced it with this sheet metal. Had to pop all these rivets to tuck it back behind and then tuck it up under the lip and just get everything secured and on there. Still some paint because we still need to put some sealant on it, but the actual hardware of holding it on is all done. So super excited for that. And we're gonna put some RV windows in here, and it's just gonna make it a lot more sealed and long-term durable. So yeah, so my question for you guys is, do you guys like the motion blur of having the ND filter on here? 'Cause right now I keep going back and forth with taking it off and just kind of using it more for, well, I mean, obviously for these videos, but also being able to rely on this for kind of like a dash cam, because instantly, like not even 2 miles from my house, I had a truck pull out on me and just kind of like block the road with me coming. Was doing the speed limit maybe 5 over, but anyhow, had to go around him in the shoulder. And yeah, like with the motion blur with the ND filter, sometimes I can't actually make out like tag numbers or anything if I need to. So let me know your input. Do you think the ND filters are worth keeping? I personally like in thumbnails with them holding the camera behind me, but also safety first. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below what you would do, as well as what you thought of the lens. I actually really like this lens. The biggest thing that I heard people complaining about it with is the autofocus, but that seems to be more towards video, where I do not do too much video with it, as well as even if I do, I have the DJI Mic, so it won't necessarily be right with the camera to hear it anymore. So yeah, if you guys have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, as well as any answers to my questions, leave them down below. I'd like to hear from you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.